Welcome. This is Amy, and these daily messages come through the Council of Highest Light and Deepest Love. Each one is an offering to help you pause, reconnect, and remember the truth of who you are. Let's begin. Beloved, within you there is a quiet garden. It does not clamor for attention, nor does it demand to be tended every moment. And yet, when you pause and enter, you find peace waiting for you. The flowers of stillness, the trees of trust, the soil of remembrance, all are alive within. This garden is never lost, never ruined, never beyond reach. It waits for you faithfully, silently, tenderly. Come often, beloved, not to escape the world, but to remember that your root is in love. And so we ask, where in your day can you pause and step into the quiet garden within? To bring this into your day, take one breath as though you are entering your inner garden. Imagine sitting there for just a moment, surrounded by peace. Let that breath restore you before you return to what is next. And now we bless you, beloved, with the fragrance of stillness, the strength of rootedness, and the gentle reminder that your inner garden is alive and well. May you walk in the world today with the peace of this garden in your heart. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe and return tomorrow. Until then, may you walk gently and in the remembrance of love.